Learn how to do this easy dramatic eyeshadow look in just a few minutes. Hi guys, what's up? It's Munisa and welcome to the Sassy Way. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I make beauty related videos. Like today, I'll be showing you step by step of how I achieve this easy dramatic eyeshadow look using the new Morphe Sweet Oasis palette. And so I hope you stick around to the end and join the Sassy family, or as I like to call it, my Sass fam. Start off with the shade Take Me Back on a fluffy brush and apply it all over the lid, including the brow bone, just so you have an even base layer that will help enhance the brightness of each additional color. To bring back some color into your life and your eyelids, apply the shade Al Fresco with a flat eyeshadow brush. You want to start off by lightly applying the shadow and then slowly build up so both you and your eyelids can stand out. Highlight just the outer half of your brow bone with an eyeliner brush, and because life is full of options, you can either use the shade Just Us 2 if it really is Just Us 2, otherwise apply Champagne on Ice if it's just you drinking some champagne. Next, define your life and your lash line with Secret Lagoon. Well, I guess since we can't really travel, just gently apply it to your lash bed with a clean eyeliner brush to get a more defined eye. Now, to add more dimension to your eyes, and because nothing else is defined in life anymore, you want to define your crease by applying the shade Sandbar slightly above your natural crease with a crease brush. The reason you want to do it this way is because if you apply the color directly into your crease, you won't see the color when your eyes are open. Also, make sure not to touch the only highlight in your life found under your brows, and blend everything with a clean fluffy brush. For a soft and elegant smoky look, apply the shade Hidden Cove on just the outer third corner of your eye. Just remember, this color is very pigmented, so make sure you pick up the tiniest amount on your crease brush and tap off the excess. If you want to intensify the color, you can always apply a little bit more. Now, with a clean fluffy brush, blend the outer corner with your crease, but make sure you don't drag the color into the rest of your eye. Next, cut the crease by applying some concealer on your eyelid, and then pat the shade Sneaker Kiss where you just applied the concealer with a flat eyeshadow brush. Now add some shimmer to your life by applying the shade Sunbathe on top of Sneaker Kiss with your finger, and then with a clean blending brush, blend Hidden Cove and Sunbathe together so there's no harsh lines. And if at this point you want to intensify the smokiness, add a little bit more of Hidden Cove and gently blend it all together. Then, because you can't elongate yourself, elongate your eyes by applying the brow highlight shade Just Us 2 with a lip brush in the inner corner of your eye, and also bring it down to the lower lash line. Next, because your life isn't dramatic enough, apply the tiniest bit of Hidden Cove with an eyeliner brush on the bottom outer third of your lower lash line, and then with a clean crease brush, gently drag it in and blend it with the shade Just Us 2. If you want to intensify the drama, add a little bit more of Hidden Cove and blend, blend, blend. Finish off the look by applying some black kohl liner in your upper and lower lash line and set it with some black shadow to prevent smudging. Add in the eyeliner, curl your lashes, and apply the Bite Beauty mascara because it alone will take your life to the next level. Okay, maybe not your life, but definitely your lashes, and you won't need any falsies. And there you have it, an easy dramatic eyeshadow look that you can do for Valentine's Day or any other day for that matter, because you should love yourself every single day. And now, if you want to watch an in-depth review of the Bite Beauty mascara, you can click right here and I'll see you in that video.